Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a detailed video to show you how an experienced user would use the Multi-Lift personal transfer lift system to get a disabled user into and out of the passenger front of a full-size Ford product such as this Ford F-150. The sling system that we use here can be put in place ahead of time, as you see, but it does not have to be. You can actually put the sling in place after the fact simply by putting it around the user's bottom and the sides of their thighs, but not underneath, so no lifting involved. So once the user's up and off of the seat, we're going to move the wheelchair away, lift, face into the vehicle, and swing over on top of the seat for a transfer. So our next step here is to rotate around. Once the feet clear the sill plate, in we go. Now we're just at that level now. Once you get over here, the user doesn't need to move their head if you do it correctly. Once we're inside, down, and you just guide them right into the right spot. Make sure that they're nice and vertical on the seat so that the spine is good and comfortable. We're going to remove the unit from the sling. Tuck the sling down to be nice and comfortable. You can leave it right in place while you're riding. It's very comfortable. Remove the speedy bar, and you're ready to hit the road. Remember that this is a detailed video, so it's not the whole story. You'll want to check out other videos in the notes field down below to give you more information about this product. We thank you so much for watching our video, and we hope that you'll contact us at www.accessunlimited.com. We're on YouTube at youtube.com/accessun, and you can contact us on all major social media. Give us a call. Evenings and weekends are no problem. Eastern Standard Time in the U.S. up until 11 p.m. at 615-873-0518, country code 1. And daytimes, 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time at 1-607-669-4822. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.